In SPSS, you have to have these things. What? That it will be, we are going to define the variables. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is about the variable. Do you need a break?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll have a small revision recapitulation.
Sir, I think everything is
Okay,
go ahead.
you can go ahead. Okay, now once this is done, the next thing what we have to do is we have to copy our data and put it in a Excel sheet. How can we do that? Go to Excel now. Now, if you see here, the heading looks as it is. It is there in SPSS. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you just copy this full. इसमें क्या किया हम लोगों ने एक मेजर चीज है. One second, I have deleted some things here. I have deleted all these things, general information. Okay. Now what I'm doing is.
Sir, there is a question.
Yes.
When we go on variable in SPSS, it shows in column wise, and when we goes in data, it shows row wise. Is it so?
Yes.
Okay.
इसमें क्या किया मैंने, एक्सपीरियंस तक डेटा कॉपी किया मैंने. आई क्लिक ऑन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और इंस्टीट्यूशन, क्लिक कंट्रोल वी, सेलेक्ट कॉपी किया मैंने, कंट्रोल वी किया, तो क्या हो गया, अब देख सकते हैं द कोडिंग वॉट एवर वॉज देयर इन एक्सेल इज बिन कॉपीड हियर. 61111113. कैन यू सी हियर 6111111353. ये दिख रहा है ना आपको?
Yes, sir.
आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग. और उसके बाद में मैं क्या करता हूँ, आई हैव टू कॉपी A1 से पूरा डेटा कॉपी करना है मुझे. टोटल मैंने नहीं डाला है, आई हैव जस्ट लेफ्ट इट ब्लैंक. आई कैन कॉपी दैट आल्सो, बट आई विल डू इट लेटर.
Sir, we are copying only data part because we have not given any coding to that in this SPSS.
We have done the coding already, right?
We have done the coding for variables, but not for this scale.
Scale there is no coding at all. Scale क्या होता है, देखिए इधर scale में क्या होता है, we use it numbers. Scale is just nothing but numbers. Okay, yeah. Scores. For example, scale score. Let's take in a school. I am working on a variable of mathematics. Mathematics में if a person scores out of 160, that comes from the scale.
Yeah.
उसको कोडिंग नहीं दे सकते. कोई 40 स्कोर किया होगा, कोई 30 स्कोर किया होगा, ठीक है, वो सब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, नंबर्स पे डालते हैं, मतलब there is no coding. So that's why we have
so we just copy paste from this Excel to this SPSS.
That's it. We'll not do anything else. We'll just copy there and paste it here. Okay. इसमें only definition what we are going to give is for nominal and ordinal. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Because these both are qualitative in nature, not quantitative in nature. This ordinal and nominal is qualitative.
Yeah.
And whereas
scale
other things are, scale is quantitative in nature. Quantitative is measured in numbers. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
राइट नाउ अभी क्या हुआ, हमारे पास इतना सारा डेटा फीड हो गया. एनी डाउट?
No, sir.
No doubt. So all of you can feed the data in SPSS easily now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Okay, so this is about the data feeding. अभी next thing जो होगा, okay, next thing जो होगा उसको क्या बोलते हैं, उधर फिल्टर लिखिए. राइट, नेक्स्ट थिंग में क्या करेंगे हम लोग, व्हाट आर द स्टेप्स ऑफ एसपीएसएस डेटा एनालिसिस. आपको याद है मैंने कल एक बताया था. व्हाट इज दिस? Steps of quantitative data analysis. First one is data preparation. We have done that, compiling, coding and data entry. ये तीनों कंप्लीट किया हम लोगों ने.
Yes, sir.
ये तीनों
To check the normality of data.
There will not be scrutiny process, sir.
please, pardon please.
Scrutiny process, sir.
Okay, now what are that will do? Validation, data validation, all that things comes under the second stage that is called as describing data, and normality also comes under this describing data. अभी क्या किया हम लोगों ने? We compiled data, we coded data, we entered data. Only this we have done till now. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we will go for the next thing. First and foremost thing, after entering data and the variable, what we have to do is we have to see whether the data is proper or not. क्या होता है, अब कितना सारा नंबर दिख रहा है आपको, बीच में कहीं ना कहीं ब्लैंक है.
Yes, sir. Sir,
कहाँ ब्लैंक है?
Sir, in A4 column 8.
The one
A4 column 8. This one.
Yes, sir.
Column 9. It's
Column
blank.
second.
Okay, 9. Yeah.
Also in first column,
Yeah, organizational.
12 row,
I mean, there are
Organization.
certain blanks are there.
Missing lines.
designation.
There are some
and then
missing things.
Yeah.
Second column, row 8, 8 or 9.
Now listen here, you have around 1,000 data. You have collected from 1,000 people. And we are human beings, we have the tendency to do mistake. हमको क्या करना है? How do we identify that there is a problem in this variable? उसके लिए क्या करता है? That is the next step. We do it. Okay, we see the description. इसके लिए क्या करते हैं हम लोग? We go for analyze. Steps याद रखना है, बहुत जरूरी है. We go for analysis. उसके बाद में descriptive statistics. Okay, just go for descriptive. And I thought you cannot. Yes.
Sir, थोड़ा slow, हाँ.
थोड़ा slow जाओ. Okay. Now the data is fed. Whether the data is proper or not, उसको check करना है. Now let's take an example. Organization variable मुझे check करना है. Okay.
ठीक है.
उसके लिए क्या करूँगा? I go for analyze. Then go for descriptive statistics. Then go for frequencies. Hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Can someone tell me what I did now?
Sir, you selected organizational, organizational.
There is no need of selecting that. Please make a note. There is no need of selecting. Okay? Organization, institution और रहने दीजिए. बस मुझे उसके बारे में.
Analysis and click on description and frequency distribution.
Very good. Go for analyze. Click on that. Go for descriptive statistics. Then you go for
frequencies.
frequencies. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now there is two boxes. There are two boxes which appears here. One is there is a variable box which is already exist. ये पूरा जो है ना हमारा जितना भी वेरिएबल है वो पूरा आ जाएगा इधर. Okay. And
Yes.
there is a testing box here. Variable testing box. Okay. जो वेरिएबल आपको टेस्ट करना है उसको सेलेक्ट करिए. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एंड इंस्टीट्यूशन. उसको क्या करेंगे टेस्टिंग वेरिएबल बॉक्स में डालेंगे. जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस arrow mark, it comes here.
Yes.
Hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you go for charts, statistics here. Click on statistics. Okay. Now what you can do, you can check the mean, median, mode, sum, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Okay. और रेंज वॉट एवर द थिंग्स. ये जितना भी स्टैटिस्टिक्स आपको चाहिए ये सब सेलेक्ट करिए. स्कीवनेस अगर देखना है तो देख सकते हैं. सिंस इट इज नॉमिनल एंड ऑर्डिनल उसमें स्कीवनेस नहीं देखते हम लोग. ओनली फॉर द स्केल्स वी चेक द स्कीवनेस एंड क्लिक ओके. कंटिन्यू एंड क्लिक ओके. ये आया हमारा आउटपुट. ओके.
Yes, sir.
जैसे मेरा आउटपुट आया there is something first table. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
There are some statistics which comes here. It says that n क्या होता है? What is n?
Population.
Number of sample.
Very good.
Sample size.
Someone told it is population. No, it is not population. It is number of sample what we have selected for the study. So कितना है? That is
219.
and next to that there is something called as one missing.
Yeah.
What does this missing indicate?
Like we have left one column, missed one column or data there.
Very good. Now this is what we call it as data screening. इसको बोलते हैं data screening. First thing what you have to do is we have to check this. Okay. इसमें क्या हुआ ना आपको one missing आया. Let's see the organization culture में. Can you see 12? Is it blank?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now ये डेटा मिसिंग था. So इस मिसिंग को आपको वेरीफाई करना है कहाँ से? एक्सेल से. एक्सेल में जाइए.
20.
Okay. एक्सेल में 12th one is what?
26.
26. आगे पीछे का देखिए. आगे ऊपर 26 है, नीचे it is 9. Now let's check here. ऊपर 26 है. There is a problem here. There is 326 here. 9. After that there is an 8 here.
Yeah, sir.
Upper-
It's because the numbers are different in SPSS and in Excel sheet.
Now why? Because the first two is adding.
Yeah.
Okay. So the 12th is nothing but 14th one here.
Yeah.
So it is 8. ऊपर क्या है? 9 and नीचे क्या है? 4. So what's going to happen? Is it 9 and 4? So what is the value here?
8.
It is 8. It is 8. Got it?
Correct.
Any doubt? अभी क्या करेंगे? अभी फिर उसको टेस्ट करेंगे. Descriptive statistics. Go to analyze.
Then go to frequencies.
Descriptive statistics, frequencies. Then select organization or institution which is already selected. Statistics is already by default. We have selected everything. Then go for click OK. Can you see the statistics table
Yeah, sir.
now?
It is now. Yeah, it is
Ah.
there now.
What is the total number of sample what you have taken?
220.
220.
220. What is missing there?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Make sure the missing is always 0 in your variable.
Sir, it means when we copy and paste something by default can be missing in SPSS.
No. अब सब लोगों को पता नहीं है. I deleted purposefully. I deleted after copying, I deleted purposefully to make sure that you will not do this mistake.
Oh, okay. So which means this may be by default in Excel sheet as well, and then
Yes.
okay.
If it is by default in Excel sheet, आपको क्या करना है? Now let's take an example. What you have to do, we do it as we call it as a file number. Okay, which normally what you have to do. Now I'll just show you an example. Can you see my video?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's take an example. ये एक मेरा answer script है. Now let's take an example. This is an answer script. This is an answer script. Okay, or a tool which I have given for data collection. ये वापस मिला मुझे. वापस मिलने के बाद I have around 50 answer scripts here, 50 data sheets. हम लोगों को क्या करना है? We have to give a file number for every this thing. What you have to do, you take it as file number 1 like this for the first respondent, file number 2 for the second respondent. A file number is, that is, you have to keep all the data sheets giving a numbers. Hope you're getting an idea.
Yes, sir.
Okay, और Excel sheet में जब add करेंगे, what you're going to do, you are going to give the numbers or the file number like this, and उसमें क्या होता है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is respondent 1, respondent 2, respondent 3, respondent 4. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what you're going to do, you're going to give the respondent's number या नहीं तो file number here. Once you do this, अगर कोई data miss हो गया, so exactly you take up that file number here and then see the data and correct it. This is how we have to make sure that the data what we enter is confidential. अगर मैं पूछूं आप लोगों से कि what is this fifth data what you have entered, okay,
So we'll go to file number and cross check it.
you can go to file number and cross check it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. And someone wants us to go for a recapitulation before going further. Shall we go for a recap?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second, please. 2 minutes. We'll just have a break for about 1 minute.
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, I'll just put my laptop for charging. After that, we'll start again. पहले नहीं होता क्या SPSS सेशन?
नहीं SPSS पे हमारा करंट सेशन ओके सर मैं दे दूंगा सर आप
Yes, we'll have a small recap now. Okay, हमने क्या क्या किया है? First thing what we did, we started learning about steps of quantitative data analysis. हम लोग क्या किए? there are majorly four different steps here: data preparation, describing data, analyzing and interpreting data, drawing the inference from the data. So these are all the four basic steps what we learned for data analysis. That is, and उसके बाद में हम लोगों ने एक और चीज पे डिस्कस किया, that is nominal scale, ordinal scale, interval scale and ratio scale. Okay, and we also said that nominal scale is qualitative in nature, and we assign just a numbers to differentiate two things. Like example, male, female, rural, urban, districts जो भी होगा. So इस तरीके से हम लोगों को discriminate करने के लिए what we do, we give the numbers. That's nothing but the nominal scale. Ordinal scale में क्या होता है? It is
When
more or
we
less.
form,
Yes, please.
when we can arrange the data in a ranking form.
Very good. When the data is arranged in a hierarchy, maybe in the lower order or an upper order, whatever may be the case, that comes under ordinal scale. Okay?
Yes.
Now we had given example. Then we have two more types. What is interval scale and ratio scale? This is not qualitative. This is quantitative in nature. They will have numbers here. Like for example, Likert scale होगा. Okay? या नहीं तो marks हो सकता है. Okay, all that things comes under this particular things. And ratio scale, each is having a proportion, 1:2, 2:4. इस तरीके से ratio होता है ना, that comes under this ratio scale. And next thing what we did was we started entering the data. Data entry के time पे क्या करते हैं? We prepare an Excel sheet where we will have file number, that is the respondents को या respondent sheets को we give an serial number. Okay, so that it will be easy for us to cross check or make a documentation. So what we do, first respondent को file number 1 बोलते हैं, second respondent का जो data sheets है उसको 2, 3, 4, 5 ऐसे बोलते हैं. And first respondent को क्या करते हैं हम लोग, अपना questionnaire जितना भी है, whatever the questionnaire what we have, what we have to do, the variables will be typed in a row. Like what we did here, we have organization or institution. Next is designation, district, locale, gender, age, education qualification, experience. Like that, we go on typing all the things, all the variables what we have. But when it comes to an item in a rating scale or a questionnaire, what we do, we divide that into subsections. Section 1 में item डालते हैं and उसका numbers डालते हैं. Section 2 again उसका items और उसको number देते हैं. So like that we go on continuing the data based on the variables. And I suggest you to write it for each individual item so that data एक बार Excel में बन गया, we can go ahead further for other things. Next, after that, we did the coding work. You remember the coding? Name of the organization, जितना भी organization हम लोगों के पास है, उन सबको type किया and we started giving coding. Coding is given for only ordinal and what is the other one?
Nominal.
Very good. Ordinal and nominal data. The data what we have received, which is ordinal or nominal, only for those data what we give the coding. Hope it's clear.
Yes,
उस
sir.
कोडिंग को हम लोग टाइप करके रखते हैं बिकॉज दिस कोडिंग व्हाट यू हैव टाइप्ड इन एन एक्सेल शीट में अगर देखेंगे शीट नंबर 2 में आई हैव गिवन अस कोडिंग डेटा शीट नंबर 1 में. ओके, सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस टू डिकोड. नहीं तो हम लोग भूल जाते हैं कौन सा कोड क्या होता है, इसीलिए फर्स्ट कोडिंग देते हैं, देन वी गो फॉर द अदर थिंग्स. नाउ वंस दिस इज डन, based on these codes, what we do, we feed our data here. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we start feeding the data here. 6, what does the 6 indicates? Anyone please? Organization or institution में 6, ये 6 क्या होता है?
Investment banking.
Very good. Now मैं एक और चीज पूछता हूं आपको बता. Now let's take an example. District. There is something called as 4. Okay, what does this indicate? 16. Now let's take an example. 9. I'll just type here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now there is a serial number 13. Okay, and in that district is 1. What does it indicate?
13 number respondent is from first district that we have put at perhaps Mysore.
Very good. The 13th respondent, that is a person 13, the file number 13 respondent belongs to which district?
One number.
One number. One number is Mysore.
Mysore.
Okay. Interesting, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let's take one more thing, one more example. There is something called a 74 for file number 9. What does this indicate? Designation 74. Now let's go for the 74 designation.
He belongs to head of the department.
He is the head of the department. Okay. The person 9 is an head of the department.
Yeah.
Who has respondent is. What is this 26? 26 coding. That is an organization or institution. 26 coding.
Like he's the
Additional director. Educational institute.
Educational institution.
Now, can you just elaborate these two things? A person number 9 belongs to 26, 74 and 1. What does this indicate?
He belongs to Mysore district. He's working in educational institute and he's the head of the department in that particular institute.
Very good. Very good. This is how you decode the variables. Okay. And this is possible only if you add a coding properly. Now you haven't understood about this coding, this data feeding. Right? Next, what we did, after this, we went to SPSS. Once the data is coded, everything is done. Excuse me. Then what we did, in SPSS, first thing what we did was we went to variable view, if at all, if you remember. Okay. Then what we did, we started adding the variables here. Okay. We started adding the variables, organization or institution, designation, district. How did we add?
Like we converted it rows to column by.
How do we do that?
Yeah,
How do we do that?
We went to a new sheet of Excel.
Very good. I'm going for a new sheet of Excel. Then
special
Click
paste.
right there. Click right there.
Right click, paste special, transpose.
right click, paste special is not getting. Paste special is not coming. It's not.
First, we need to copy, sir. We need to copy.
Please, who is that? Very good. First, we have to copy.
Yeah. Okay.
First, we have to copy what?
Sir,
The
copy
data.
Copy a row.
the row.
The heading. Now let's take an example from here till here. I've copied. Control C. Then what I do? What should I do?
Then went to new
Go to
sheet.
next type.
Go to new sheet. Then
Then right click.
Right click. Paste special.
No, first of all, paste it over here.
Paste
Paste
it.
special.
we will not directly paste it. We go for paste special.
Paste it special.
Paste
And
special.
transpose.
And
Then
transpose.
transposing.
And okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now one more important thing what we did was we added dot in between two words. Organization dot institution. You remember
Yes, sir.
why we add this? Why we add dot, not space?
Because SPSS doesn't accept space.
Very good. So we have done like this. So after this, what we did? We copied this and pasted in
SPSS.
Variable table.
variable view. variable view. We just paste it and automatically all these gets entered here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then our heading is ready. After that, what we did?
We define measures.
We defined measures, whether this belongs to ordinal, nominal, or
Scale.
Scale data.
scale. Okay. So everything we designed, and then after that,
Then
what we did?
defining the values in ordinal and nominal scale.
Very good. For ordinal and nominal scale, we decided defining the values.
Values.
That means whatever we have decoded here, coding whatever we have done, that coding we also enter in SPSS. Okay. So 1 is logistics, 2 is management consultancy, 3 is retail, aviation, marketing, so on, so on. Okay. So like that we did for all these 3 things. Then what we did? After that, we went to data view, and from Excel, what we did?
We import the data
We
to the
copied the
SPSS.
data. We copied the data, and then what we did? We
Paste it over here.
We pasted here. Very simple. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, if you want to add that pile number into this SPSS, so
Why do you want to add the pile number? Pile number usually we don't add it. That is in Excel sheet, because we don't use pile number. We can add.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Now
you.
there is a problem here, sir. Please share this PPT after the session is over, because when we use learn SPSS, we can relate with your own content delivered. Very good. That also I'll do. Sir, subjects of study, arts, commerce, and science, whether it is nominal or ordinal. Participants, please can you clarify?
This is a nominal scale data.
Which one?
Nominal.
Very good. It is nominal. So this is about the things. And there are some videos also which I have created. Probably I was thinking of showing it to you. Okay, if possible, I'll just show you. Now, there is one more thing called as totaling. How to do the totaling? I'll just demonstrate this with the help of a video. अभी क्या हुआ, हम लोगों ने टोटल ऐड नहीं किया था इधर. Okay, how to do totaling in SPSS? I'll just play a video. You just go through that. Compute is nothing but adding total. आपको जो जो वेरिएबल चाहिए उसको ऐड कर सकते हैं, या डिलीट कर सकते हैं, माइनस कर सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, जो भी करना है आपको सब कर सकते हैं. इसमें आई एम गिविंग अ वेरिएबल नेम फॉर दैट टोटल स्कोर. क्लिक करिए. यू गेट द टोटल. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी एक सिंपल थिंग है. देखिए, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज A1 to A15. ओके, A1 to A15 इसका टोटल चाहिए मुझे, कैसे करो? अभी मैंने वीडियो दिखाया आप लोगों को कैसे करते हैं, आप बताइए.
Compute variable.
Transform, we need to click transform.
I have to go for transform.
Compute variable.
Compute variable. Okay.
Then we need to add this A1, A2.
A1 I take
Adding
here.
plus
Plus
A2
Plus
A3
to
A3
A15.
plus
A4
A4 plus
A5
A5 plus
A6
A6 plus A7 plus
A8
A8 plus
9
A9. I did not add plus there, sorry. One second. Plus A9
A9.
plus
Sir, something is
A9
10
plus
A10
A10 plus
A11
A11 plus
A12
A12 plus A13 plus A14. That's it?
One more, sir. A15, no? No.
One second. Plus A15.
A15.
Then I have to give a target total. I'll just add as A total. EO. What I'm giving? I'm adding the table here. A total is the variable here. Okay. Then click OK. I'll go check here whether that A total is coming or not. Mil gaya A total? Did I get it?
Yes, sir.
So simple. Totaling ho gaya?
Yeah.
Yes. So like
Yes.
that, I have to do the totaling for other things and all. This is a simple technique for computing. अभी माइनस भी कर सकते हैं इसमें, प्लस भी कर सकते हैं, जो करना है कर सकते हैं आप लोग. अगर हम मैन्युअली करेंगे तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? It takes huge amount of time, but in SPSS it is just a button. Click a button, you get it.
So why these two cells are blank?
Now you just tell me why these two cells are blank.
because some of the values are missing over there.
Now let's check
It might have
that.
totaled.
A2, what is this? Number 7, pile number 7, A2. What is the score? We will check in our Excel.
Yeah.
Thank you, dear. Pile number 7, A2. What is the score?
5.
It is?
4.
5.
So what I have to enter here?
5.
5. I entered 5. Now you just check whether the total has come out for this.
No.
There is something else missing. There was a mistake. Okay. It will not take because there was a data missed. Again, that's why before doing any analysis in SPSS, what we have to do? We have to do data screening.
Yeah.
Okay? Check the data properly. How do I check the data now?
Go for an analysis and
Go
then
for
descriptive
analysis,
statistics
descriptive statistics,
and frequency.
frequency.
And
Then
then
select variables for
Then
testing.
what I'll do, I will select all the variables
yeah.
at a stretch so that it will be easy for us to see.
So
Okay?
we can select all the variables in one go.
Yes,
Okay.
we
Then
can
go
do
for
that. There is no
statistics.
problem. Okay. I can select Control A.
Hmm.
Okay, and then do that. Now what I'll do is I will delete this total what I did. Why? Because
Because that is wrong. I
that
mean,
is wrong. Very
yeah.
simple. That's wrong. So what I do, I'll go for analyze, descriptive, frequency I check,
Frequency, variable selection,
variable selection will be like this. You select all, Control
memory
A,
variables. Then go for statistics.
then go for statistics. You check all these things, then click OK, first thing, and then click OK.
Hmm.
Now you got all the statistics here. Okay. I will just do it again so that we can start it from B5. Descriptive statistics, frequency, all okay, okay. Now we got the things here.
Yeah.
Now, in one table, you'll get everything. Can you see this table here?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Now, if you see here, in this thing, you have something called as missing. Organizing is missing.
no, sir.
In designation,
Yeah, one.
One missing, sir.
in locale, there is one missing. In education qualification, there is one missing. In A4, there is one missing.
And nothing.
Then
Okay.
B6. Yeah. Then all are fine.
Then you just check like that, then all are fine. अभी हम लोगों को क्या करना है? What we have to do? In D59, there is one missing.
Yes.
Okay. In D59, there is one missing. So what we do? We have to set it out all these datas. Clear?
यस सर सर लेकिन ये जो हमने सिलेक्ट करके प्रोसेस किया है पूरा ये डेटा अपने आप आता कहाँ पर है
ये आता है आउटपुट में देखिए इधर ये जो है ना SPSS में ये दो चीज होता है एक डेटा सेट होता है देयर इज वन मोर थिंग कॉल्ड एज आउटपुट एक और फाइल आता है दैट इज नथिंग बट आउटपुट फाइल
so that file will
Okay.
come automatically over there
इट विल कम ऑटोमेटिकली राइट
and sir instead of this after completing this process of knowing whether something is missing or not when this is done so we can add on in the simple way the total way like we did in Excel sheet we can come there and then paste it over here instead of doing this long process
the totaling process
yeah totaling
you're
process.
telling
Yeah.
totaling process you can do it in Excel also it's very easy
Yeah.
okay now Excel is also easy that Excel what happens that's why I told all of you to prepare in Excel abhi for example totaling मैंने A to 20 for example I wanted a total of A this is very easy A dot total डाल दीजिए then this is very easy for us to copy and paste it
Exactly.
that's why I'm telling you to prepare your data in Excel because Excel में क्या होता है? There are many things what you can do in Excel, which SPSS takes lot of time. Okay,
Sir.
right. Now, any doubt till now?
Yes, over करके.
Seems there's no doubt.
Okay, it is very simple. SPSS and Excel. If at all, if you learn these two things, your research becomes very easy.
True, sir.
Okay.
But when we start doing it in process, we may have some issues, no? It seems
Don't worry. I'm there with you. For that, what I'll do is simple things for you. You saw a video now, computing. Computing का एक वीडियो मैंने आपको बताया. ओके, नाउ लाइक दैट ट्रांसपोज आप लोगों ने इसमें किया था, किसमें? एक्सेल में. आई विल शो यू इन SPSS हाउ टू डू ट्रांसपोर्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ वीडियो. जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस. एक्सेल का डेटा डायरेक्टली ट्रांसपोज होता है. देखिए अभी इट्स अ फाइल, एक्सेल फाइल है वो. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट हियर. नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. इसमें देखेंगे तो ट्रांसपोज अपने आप करके एक्सेल से लेके इधर डाल दिया. हम लोगों ने क्या किया? एक्सेल में ट्रांसपोज किया, फिर इधर इंसर्ट किए. गॉट इट? सो दिस इज अ स्मॉल वीडियो. ऐसे वाला अगर मैं वीडियो बना के अगर आपको दे दूं, देन इट विल बी इजी. आई विल ट्राई टू डू इट. Okay, so it will be easy. Yes, someone is having a question. Monica.
Sir,
Someone
besides, after this session is over, we need to practice it on SPSS and then have a session again so that all the doubts can be clear practically.
Yes. Now, what we are doing here is, I'm just stopping it now because 2 घंटा हो गया हम लोग सुनते सुनते. Okay, then what happens? जितना भी मैंने बताया, until and unless you practice that, it will be a waste.
Correct.
Okay, इतना करेंगे, then you tell me if you are ready with your data, then again we'll start further working out, further analysis. SPSS एक दिन का काम नहीं है. You've been learning, you have to learn a lot. ठीक है? And those who are interested, if it is there, I'll just tell the organizers, if they are ready to organize more sessions, then only I'll be able to give you the inputs properly.
Sir, एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ ना मैडम, बोलिए.
Sir, these are the structured questions जिसके लिए हमने questionnaire से ले लिया, लेकिन there are sometimes unstructured questions as well. So in that case, how to put that data over there?
Unstructured, that is not possible with SPSS. ठीक है? अगर हम लोग कोडिंग दे रहे हैं तो ठीक है, बट परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. बट क्वालिटेटिव डेटा के लिए वी हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड एज NVO सॉफ्टवेयर.
What is it?
NVO.
NVO.
Okay, that software is different. उस सॉफ्टवेयर में यस वो भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, वो सब करने के लिए देयर इज अ डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच यू नीड टू लर्न. ओके, सो SPSS में हम लोग नंबर्स में खेलते हैं. We only play with numbers. Okay. So this is.
सर एक्चुअली वन क्वेश्चन था मेरा. सर मेरा SPSS का ट्रायल वर्जन एक्सपायर्ड हो गया और मुझे नीड है SPSS सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करने की, तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूँ?
आप विकास से कांटेक्ट करिए, वो आपको SPSS भेज देगा, इंस्टॉल करिए.
Sir, actually, my trial version was expired.
You uninstall trial version first thing.
Okay.
You uninstall from your system. And
Okay.
I'll show you a simple thing, what exactly you have to do. Okay, SPSS कैसे इंस्टॉल होता है. आपको next करना है. I'll just show you one of the SPSS which I'll just check it out from here.
विकास सर ने जो भेजा है वो भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है इस पर ना.
वर्क नहीं हो रहा है SPSS. SPSS what you have sent is not working.
सर किसी के विंडो पे नहीं कर रहा है, किसी किसी में तो कर रहा है सर.
Sir, there is some problem with if system changes, the older version is not working. If the Windows system is changing.
Now let's take it simple here. Citizen, what you have to do, SPSS जैसे इंस्टॉल करेंगे, सेटअप आएगा.
Yes, sir.
इसमें सेटअप आएगा, सेटअप क्लिक करिए तो ऑटोमेटिक इंस्टॉल नेक्स्ट हो जाता है. लास्ट में आता है, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड लाइसेंसिंग.
Yes, sir.
लाइसेंसिंग में क्या करना है आपको, उस फोल्डर में क्रैक करके एक रहता है. ओके, जस्ट डबल क्लिक दैट and open this crack with क्लिक करिए, राइट क्लिक करके ओपन विथ क्लिक करिए. वन सेकेंड. ओपन विथ, इसमें क्या करना है आपको, you have to go and open with notepad. Notepad में open किया. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Then from number 4 that is starting till जो ash mark दिख रहा है आपको, can you see what did I do?
Yes.
Until here you copy it, Control C. इसको कॉपी करके लाइसेंसिंग में जाइए. लाइसेंसिंग में जाके आपको क्या करना है, उसको पेस्ट करना है. Then click OK. You will get a green tick mark. Okay. Then your SPSS will be active.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
In case any doubt, you can ask organizers. They will try to install it and give it to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Now I'll just end this session here because too many things will spoil. इतना बेसिक्स मैंने बताया है. आगे का चीज probably in the next session, if Vikas organizers or the organizing team, if they need me, अगर आप लोग if at all if you require my presence, then we'll have further session.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Surely, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
For valuable session. Thank you.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you all of you.